Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and today is September 24th, 2024, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, gold rallying to new all-time record highs. But first, looking at today's major economic events. So we start out the day at 4 p.m. South African time. Out of the United States, we have a CB consumer confidence number. That's an important number. Now, shifting over into the market, starting out with the Forex symbols, the British pound rallies higher versus the US dollar. That's a nice push to a new high, at least for the year. Now shifting over to the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ pretty much unchanged. And as we look at commodities, natural gas extends its rally to the upside. Now looking at the stocks, it's Tesla and this time Amazon that are extending the rally higher to resistance-ish level. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin remains unchanged. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So we're going to start with the British pound as it's making new yearly highs. Now we're going to zoom out a bit. We're going to start out with a weekly chart and then we'll gravitate back to a daily chart. But look at it right now, 133.59. Now look at what a stark difference this is of August of 2022, just 2 years ago. This actually was a debacle. It went down to almost parity to the dollar, and now it's making a huge comeback, okay, as it's inching higher to 134. And what we know of it historically, now remember, this still is way off of our highs, way off of our highs from when it had the debacle in 2008, and then from the Brexit exit, as that happened also around 2014. So there is still some major obstacles for this to push higher. However, as you look at it right now, okay, looking at a monthly chart, it does look like it's inching in at that 141-ish level. So that's our next real resistance-ish level. If we look at it, we want to look to buy the pullbacks. Now, I want to see that it sustains this new high, okay, and maintains it above this 133-ish level. I'm going to use that as my support next time it pulls back, okay, for a potential move back on the upside. Okay, 131.59 is more close to where that potential supportish level is, so keep that in mind. Now, jumping into the Australian dollar, earlier this morning we had a rate decision. It didn't do much, okay, it spiked up higher and then it's just fading it this morning. Not a big deal, no big surprises there, so we might see some more activity in this as well. Now jumping into the Japanese yen, we got that bounce last week, but since then we haven't done much, okay, and we're grappling with this resistance-ish level as the yen is strengthening versus the dollar. Now looking at the indices, starting out with, let's jump to the commodities first. Gold hitting all-time record highs, 2631, okay, as where we are right now, but it did spike out higher, almost hitting 2640-ish level, and this is showing some strength, okay? It's pushing higher, whether it's economic uncertainty, whether it's global political uncertainty. Gold is going up, okay, and it's hitting new record highs. It's not just going to go up and going to tell you, okay, it's going to fake us out a little bit. So just anticipate that fake out so that you can be in it. Now, looking at natural gas also extending its move to the upside. This is a huge comeback from its 190-ish low to 280. That's a whole buck of a rally back for natural gas. Now, jumping into the U.S. markets, right? We're going to look at the Dow Jones unchanged, okay? And if we look at the NASDAQ also, day-to-day, really unchanged, just holding on to its gains. However, take a look at this, okay? Amazon showing some potential on the upside, almost hitting that 190-ish level. And look at Tesla, also back to its resistance-ish level at 266. Okay, a big rally there for both those two stocks. However, if we look at the rest of the markets, Microsoft still down, not doing much. Okay, Facebook holding on to its gains, but not pushing out higher. So keep that in mind as well. And lastly, let's take a look at Bitcoin, as that has been on its resistance level at 63,000. Okay, didn't move yesterday. It's grappling with pushing higher, but potentially could still do it. So keep that in mind as well. This is Razak. Want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.